my friend's birthday, and she's on her way to come pick me up because me, her mom, and another friend were going to the beach for her birthday, and we're spending the night. And yeah, I'm really excited for her to open her present because it's like really cute. I made the bag look really cute, and I you know, did a bunch of things. So yeah, I'll probably record that. Maybe I won't. I don't know. It depends on how things go. But yeah, catch you on the flip side.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
Wait, what is this? The Titan's Curse?
Yeah. I thought you said
This is the thing?
Isn't that the one you said you didn't
Oh,
have?
this is the Percy Jackson, like the first book, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, she does not have that one. She always bitches about it.
You sent it to the group.
I love it. I need the first book. I can't get it. Is this the fucking, like...
That's what she told me, that I couldn't get her any books because until she knew what she was getting, and she couldn't just have like one without.
Dude, I've wanted this for so long.
What is it? A highlighter kit?
No, it's eyeshadow. It's
But they look like planets.
They look like planets, and they have like names like Saturn, like Jupiter,
A galaxy
Prometheus,
chic?
like
Where'd
Aphrodite.
you get that?
I got it on Amazon.
Very cool.
This is lit.
Very cool. This is lit.
She said. Oh my god.
I don't know if they're that pigmented, but I know they look cool.
They
So.
definitely are pigmented. Let me see.
Oh shit.
Wait, I want to see the. Oh, that's so cool. Well.
Well then.
Well. Okay, I
Pigmented.
see you.
I see you.
I see you, pigment.
Look, it's marijuana. Not in my good Christian neighborhood. Not in my good Christian suburbs.
Thank
There's
you.
a birthday
there's
one.
some, huh?
One of them says birthday. I don't know which one.
Open one. It's your birthday.
No.
Let's open it. This is so cute. Vegan's the boyfriend that I should have had all along.
I brought mine.
We're going down to the beach. Bye. Getting a face tattoo? Why the fuck do you want a face tattoo? He wants to be like fucking that raccoon. XXXTentacion? That's dumb. I don't know why he himself. He gets mad at me because just like everyone else has the same emotion as him. Isn't XXXTentacion like going to jail? Yeah. Shine on farm. Does Ramsey want to go to jail?
Puppies.
Me and Hunter sat on this log and we fed like 20 seagulls. He's like, I'm gonna let everyone know how you actually are. You're ridiculous. I'll let everyone know how emotional you are. Oh my god. Die and telling me to kill myself and shit. Like, are you kidding me?
We're at the beach now because we're cool. Don't worry about it. It's really cold. That's Taylor. Yeah. Elizabeth and Jessica are a lot more adventurous, and they did a meme, but I just chilled here. So yeah. Bye now.
When it says send location, what does that mean?
Where you're at?
To who?
Hey dudes, we're gonna go to dinner now. Here is a fit.
Shit. Jeez.
It's like this dress from Goodwill, this from Amazon, these from my mom's closet, these from Ross.
I feel like we should
You gotta stay hydrated, dude. Let's get all her angles. I don't know why they get You're not gonna believe what just happened, but
Kelly texted me and she's like, there was a beer can at your pig pen this morning. Do you know
so like
who it is?
me,
What'd you tell her?
my friend over here really likes caramel men, and we were
Not
in
me.
this one. We were in Safeway and we saw this really nice caramel man. And at first we saw one, but then he was like kind of young, and I was like, and then we
Let's
saw
explain,
like,
he's not actually a man.
oh, he's like,
He could be.
boy.
We don't know how old he is. He could be.
I feel like he's around 17.
He could be anywhere from 17 to like 24. Like,
Yeah. So then we were about to leave. And by the way, I got this vegan cupcake.
Like, oh, I was in Fort Bragg and I don't.
Yeah. Anyways, they got this cake. It's used as from.
plates.
Yeah, but anyways, so we were about to leave, and I was just like, and we were like, Elizabeth, go say something. And then she was like, and I was like, I'll do it. And so I went over there. I was like, hi, my friend thinks you're really cute. Can I get your Snapchat? And then I don't think he speaks English or something, or not much, because his friends were just like, he doesn't have Snapchat. And I was just like, okay. And like, but he has Facebook. I'm like, okay. And then they gave it to me, and that's cool. So
He was caliente.
muy caliente.
You know what? Nice caramel man from Safeway. If you're watching this, hit me up. My handle's at Got Memes Kid.
Got Memes Kid.
It's actually my Twitter handle.
No, he was just like a random caramel man.
Yeah. It was just happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you.
And many
More. Did you guys catch that? She blew out the candle, but we just turned off the light because we don't have any candles.
I hate how you explain everything in your vlog.
Well, what if they don't get it?
They got it. No, they didn't. I'm not strong enough for this. Ow.
You got the gains the other day.
I have games. That's a lie.
Got games? You got what?
Gains? You mean those
I
gains?
got gay for
You
Jessica.
got gay? You got gay?
Yeah.
Mom, we didn't have no waters.
Yes, we did.
Can go get some? I'll go get you some.
We'll take the car and go get some.
Yeah, can we take the car and get some?
I have change. I'll go get you some water.
Okay, peace out, guys. So right now we're in like a succulent farm, and we found the baby cacti, and I'm hyped.
Collaborated, so I did a U-turn. Yeah, we were headed home and I did a U-turn, so.
Succulent farm, bitch.